When it comes to upgrading your home, energy efficiency and style are often at the top of the list. For Orangeburg residents, where summers can be hot and winters mild yet cool, energy-efficient casement windows are a smart choice. These windows not only enhance your home's aesthetics but also provide significant savings on energy bills while improving comfort throughout the year. Here's why energy-efficient casement windows are a must for Orangeburg homeowners and how they can transform your living space. What are casement windows? Casement windows are hinged on one side and open outward, much like a door. They are operated using a crank mechanism, allowing for smooth and easy operation. Their design provides an unobstructed view and excellent ventilation. When equipped with energy-efficient features, casement windows become a powerful tool for reducing energy consumption and maintaining a comfortable indoor environment in Orangeburg's climate. Energy efficiency features of casement windows. Modern casement windows are designed with advanced technologies that make them one of the most energy-efficient window types available. Key features include tight seals. Casement windows close tightly against their frames, preventing air leaks and drafts. Double or triple pane glass provides superior insulation by reducing heat transfer. Low E coatings reflect heat and block harmful UV rays while allowing natural light to enter. Gas fills. Argon or krypton gas between panes improves thermal performance. Insulated frames. Minimizes energy loss through the window frame. Benefits of energy-efficient casement windows for Orangeburg homes. Lower energy bills. With tight seals and advanced glass technologies, casement windows help maintain indoor temperatures by keeping warm air out in the summer and preventing heat loss in the winter. This reduces the strain on your HVAC system, leading to significant energy savings over time. For Orangeburg residents, where cooling costs can skyrocket during the summer, this is a particularly valuable benefit. Enhanced comfort year-round. Drafts and uneven indoor temperatures can make your home uncomfortable. Energy-efficient casement windows eliminate these issues by creating a secure thermal barrier. In Orangeburg's variable climate, this means fewer hotspots during summer and a warmer, cozier home in the cooler months. Improved ventilation. Casement windows open fully, allowing for maximum ventilation. This feature is especially beneficial in Orangeburg's humid climate, where fresh air can help regulate indoor humidity levels and create a more pleasant environment. Natural light without the heat. Energy-efficient casement windows let in ample natural light while blocking unwanted heat. This means you can enjoy bright, sunlit interiors without the discomfort of excessive warmth during the summer. Low E coatings also protect your furniture, flooring, and decor from fading due to UV exposure, ensuring your home remains beautiful for years to come. Noise reduction. The same features that make casement windows energy efficient also help reduce outdoor noise. The tight seals and insulated glass create a sound barrier, making your home quieter and more serene, a big plus for Orangeburg homeowners living near busy streets or in lively neighborhoods. Boosting home value. Installing energy-efficient casement windows is a smart investment that increases your home's resale value. Prospective buyers are drawn to homes with energy-saving features, and the sleek, modern design of casement windows adds to the overall appeal of your property. For Orangeburg homeowners, this means a higher market value and a quicker sale when it's time to move. Design versatility. Casement windows are versatile and can complement a variety of home styles, from traditional to contemporary. They are available in a range of materials, finishes, and sizes to suit your home's design. Popular frame materials include vinyl, low maintenance and cost-effective; wood, classic and elegant, ideal for traditional homes; aluminum or fiberglass, durable and sleek, perfect for modern designs; eco-friendly living. By reducing energy consumption, energy-efficient casement windows contribute to a greener, more sustainable home. Orangeburg residents who prioritize eco-friendly living will appreciate the environmental benefits these windows offer. Professional installation matters. To fully reap the benefits of energy-efficient casement windows, proper installation is essential. Poorly installed windows can result in air leaks, water infiltration, and reduced performance. For Orangeburg homeowners, partnering with a trusted local professional ensures a precise fit, secure seals, and long-lasting results. Conclusion. Energy-efficient casement windows are a must-have for Orangeburg residents looking to enhance comfort, save on energy costs, and add value to their homes. With their sleek design, excellent ventilation, and advanced insulation features, these windows are perfectly suited to Orangeburg's climate. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, consult a local Orangeburg window specialist to explore your options. With the right design and professional installation, energy-efficient casement windows will transform your home into a more comfortable, stylish, and eco-friendly space. Invest in energy-efficient casement windows today and enjoy the benefits for years to come.